Alright, welcome to Physics Teacher. Now, my students have been asking me over and over again to make a video on how I make my paper airplanes. So, here it is. I'm going to show you how to make the paper airplanes that I like to make. It's a fairly simple design. You may have seen it before. If you haven't, grab a piece of paper and we'll make it together. Alright, so we're going to start by folding it perfectly down the middle on the long end. Okay, just do it lightly because we're going to open it. And then we're going to fold it using that first fold as a guide. Try to make it right down the middle as best as you can. Okay. Now we're going to fold it down. We're going to leave about a centimeter of space there. So we're not going to fold it perfectly along this line, but about a centimeter down. And the tip here should align with that first fold that we made. Like so. Now we're going to do the same thing. Fold down to this center line as best as you can. Now this part we're going to lift up right into the center, then fold it back along that middle line there. Now we can fold down the wings, perfectly aligning the wing with our fuselage. Do the same for the other wing. And there you have it. All right, let's see how this works. There we go.